All right, it's July 31st. Yep, July 31st. My oldest is super excited about the possibility of a fall garden, so I'm going to go get the subsoiler. Got a little spot marked off in the backyard close to the house, so she won't have to go far, because I'm not sure how motivated she's going to be after the work gets started, but we're going to see if we can get this little garden worked up for the fall. It's pretty hard up top. We're going to get it broke loose, hopefully with a subsoiler, and we'll get back in and disc it up a little bit and see what we can get going with that. Let's go get our stuff. Cross hatched it here in the backyard. It dug a 5 or 6 inches pretty well. Probably could force it a little more, but I believe that'll be enough to get us going.